Hello, beautiful friends, and welcome back to About You Beauty, where we talk all things wigs, beauty, and confidence at any age. Today I'm reviewing one of the most striking color combinations I have seen in a long time, Alanna by IMStyle Wigs. If you love the rich auburn tones, dimensional brunettes, and bright blonde money pieces, you are going to fall in love with this wig. The first thing that caught my attention was the incredible color blend. Alanna combines deep brown roots with warm calico auburn and copper tones throughout, finished with that dramatic blonde highlight that frames the face beautifully. This gives the wig a custom salon color look that feels bold, luxurious, and incredibly flattering. Alanna features a 13x4 glueless lace front, which means you have plenty of parting space and a very natural looking hairline. The cap is breathable, comfortable, with adjustable straps to help achieve a secure fit without glue. For many wig wearers, especially beginners, this makes the wig easy to wear right out of the box. This is a high-quality, heat-friendly synthetic. The fibers are silky and soft with beautiful movement and very little shine. According to the manufacturer, heat styling can be used at temperatures up to 120 Celsius or 250 Fahrenheit, which allows for light adjustments if needed. Do a test strand. The standout feature of Alanna is unquestionably the color. The base is a rich brunette with warm auburn and cinnamon undertones, and throughout the wig, you're going to notice gorgeous copper and reddish brown dimension, while the bold blonde money pieces brighten the face and add contrast. The overall effect is sophisticated, modern, and incredibly eye-catching. Alanna is a long body wave style with soft, cascading curls. The waves are glamorous without feeling overdone, and the density strikes a great balance, full and luxurious while still maintaining natural movement. This style is perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. And the one thing I love most is how lightweight and comfortable Alanna feels. The glueless construction makes it beginner-friendly, and the long waves maintain their shape beautifully. Whether you're new to wigs or a seasoned wig wearer, this style is very, very approachable. And Alanna is ideal for anyone who loves rich brunette and auburn shades, wants bold face-framing highlights, enjoys long, glamorous waves, prefers a glueless lace front, and wants a statement-making color. So Alanna is a true head turner. The color is stunning, the fibers are soft, and the overall style feels like a high-end salon transformation. So if you want something warm, dimensional, and full of personality, Alanna is absolutely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below, would you wear this gorgeous calico auburn and blonde blend? And remember, confidence is beautiful at any age. I'll see you in the next video.